Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Hello, my friend.
Hi everyone, welcome back.
How are you today?
I hope you are happy and relaxed.
Yes, maybe you are listening while cooking, or driving, or just resting.
That's perfect. Just listen and enjoy.
Today, we have a very simple and useful topic.
Yes, today we talk about weekend plans.
Weekend plans.
Weekend plans.
What do you do on the weekend?
Do you rest? Do you go out? Do you sleep all day?
Sleeping all day sounds nice.
Yes, I like that plan sometimes.
Before we start,
Please like the video
and subscribe to the channel.
so you can learn English every day, slowly and easily.
Okay, let's begin. Alice, I have a question.
Yes, David?
What do you usually do on the weekend?
Good question.
Take your time.
On the weekend, I usually relax.
You usually relax.
Yes, I relax.
That's a great sentence.
Thank you.
Let's say it again, slowly.
I usually relax on the weekend.
Very good.
What about you, David?
On the weekend, I usually meet my friends.
Oh, nice. You meet your friends.
Yes, I meet my friends.
Let's repeat.
I meet my friends.
I meet my friends.
Good job.
David, do you go out on Saturday or Sunday?
Good question.
Thank you.
I usually go out on Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes, Saturday.
And Sunday?
On Sunday, I stay at home.
You stay at home.
Yes, I stay at home.
That sounds calm.
Yes, Sunday is my rest day.
Rest day.
Rest day.
I like that.
David, do you work on the weekend?
No, I don't work.
You don't work.
No, I don't work on the weekend.
That's good.
Yes, I need rest.
Me too.
Let's help our listeners.
Yes.
Simple question.
What do you do on the weekend?
Say it with us.
What do you do on the weekend?
Try to answer.
You can say,
I relax.
I watch TV.
I go out.
I meet friends.
I sleep.
Sleeping is important. Alice, do you watch TV on the weekend?
Yes, I do.
You watch TV.
Yes, I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I watch movies.
Movies. Nice.
Yes, I love movies.
Let's repeat together.
I watch movies.
I watch movies. Very good.
I also watch TV.
Oh, really?
Yes, but I watch series.
Series. Nice.
Yes, I watch series on Netflix.
That sounds fun.
It is.
Alice, do you go out with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes I go out with friends.
Where do you go?
I go to a cafe.
A cafe.
Yes, I drink coffee.
Coffee on the weekend. Perfect.
Yes, I love coffee.
Let's repeat a useful sentence.
Okay.
I go to a cafe.
I go to a cafe.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Very good. Alice, do you exercise on the weekend?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes I exercise.
What do you do?
I go for a walk.
A walk.
Yes, I go for a walk.
That's good for health.
Yes, and it's easy. Let's repeat. I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
Good.
Alice, do you go to the gym?
No, I don't go to the gym.
Me too.
The gym is scary.
Yes, too many strong people.
Exactly.
Okay, another question.
Yes.
Do you cook on the weekend?
Yes, I cook.
You cook.
Yes, I cook at home.
What do you cook?
I cook simple food.
Simple food is good.
Yes, easy and fast.
I also cook.
Oh, nice.
I cook pasta.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Me too. Let's practice.
Okay.
I cook at home.
I cook at home.
I cook pasta.
I cook pasta.
Great job. Alice, do you clean your house on the weekend?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, I clean on Sunday.
That's responsible.
Thank you. I clean on Saturday.
Good. Let's repeat.
I clean my house.
I clean my house.
Nice and clear.
Now, let's ask the listener.
Yes.
Do you clean your house on the weekend?
Yes or no.
Say it out loud. Alice, what do you do on Sunday morning?
On Sunday morning, I sleep.
You sleep.
Yes, I sleep a lot.
That's honest.
Yes, I love sleep.
I wake up early.
Really?
Yes, I drink coffee and read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful. Let's repeat.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I read a book.
I read a book.
Good.
Alice, do you travel on the weekend?
Not often.
Not often.
Yes, sometimes I travel.
Where do you go?
I go to the beach.
The beach.
Yes, I love the beach.
Me too. Let's repeat.
I go to the beach.
I go to the beach.
Perfect.
Okay, let's review.
Okay,
On the weekend,
you can say,
I relax.
I meet friends.
I watch TV.
I go out.
I meet friends.
I sleep.
Sleeping is important. I cook.
I clean my house.
I go for a walk.
I read a book.
Very good. Now, repeat after us, slowly.
I relax.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I go out.
I go out.
I meet friends.
I meet friends. Great job. Alice, I have a funny question.
Oh no.
Do you eat a lot on the weekend?
Yes, I eat a lot.
Me too.
Weekend is for food.
Yes, weekend is for food and sleep.
Best plan ever.
Let's repeat.
I eat a lot.
I eat a lot.
Good.
Okay, final question for you.
Yes, for you listening.
What do you do on the weekend?
Think.
Answer.
Speak out loud.
Practice your English.
We hope this conversation helps you.
Keep listening every day.
Keep practicing slowly.
You are doing great.
Yes, you are doing amazing.
Before we go,
Tell us in the comments,
what is your favorite weekend activity?
do you relax?
Do you go out?
Or do you sleep all day?
We want to know.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye bye.